Welcome to Irregular Plurals Part 1. In this lesson, you will learn how to transform singular nouns into plural forms that don't follow the regular rules. Irregular plurals are nouns that change unpredictably when we make them plural. Instead of simply adding s or es, these words change in special ways. For example, the word child becomes children, not childs. These are words you need to memorize because they don't follow the standard pattern. Let's look at 3 important irregular plurals. First, child becomes children. Second, man becomes men. Third, woman becomes women. These are very common words you will use frequently in English, so it's important to learn them well. Why are these words irregular? These plurals don't follow the standard -s or -es rule. Instead, the vowel sound changes inside the word. For example, in child becoming children, the vowel shifts. This vowel transformation is the key pattern in these irregular plurals. Let's examine child in detail. The singular form is pronounced child, written child when we make it plural. It becomes children, pronounced children, written children. Notice how the middle vowel sound changes from the long I sound to a short I sound. This vowel transformation is what makes it irregular. Now let's look at man and woman. The word man is pronounced man and becomes men pronounced men. The word woman is pronounced woman and becomes women pronounced women. In both cases, the vowel changes from the I sound to the E sound. This is the same vowel transformation pattern we see across these irregular plurals. Now it's time to practice. I want you to complete these irregular plurals. First, what is the plural of child? Second, what is the plural of man? Third, what is the plural of woman? Take a moment and try to answer these questions before we reveal the answers. Here are the correct answers. The plural of child is children. The plural of man is men. The plural of woman is women. Remember, these words change their vowel sounds rather than just adding -s or -es in the next part. We will explore more irregular plurals and learn additional patterns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.